What's going on, guys? My name is Trevor Long.
And I'm his dad, Philip, and we are Sawback Gear.
If you guys are seeing this video, then that means you're not subscribed to the channel, and I'm here to tell you, well, I guess we're both here to tell you today why we think you should.
We've been exploring the outdoors all our lives, and if this, or this, or this looks great to you, then you need to subscribe.
Every week we're going to be posting 2 videos about either rock climbing, mountaineering, backpacking, or camping.
Every Tuesday we post how-to videos, on Thursday we post gear reviews, and once a month we'll be posting videos about our favorite outdoor destinations.
If that sounds like something you guys might be interested in, then I strongly encourage you to subscribe to our channel. If you're not quite there yet, then why don't you check out a playlist of our top videos. I'm going to put it right there. Sorry, Phil.
So we look forward to seeing you around our channel, and we look forward to you being part of our community.
Once again, if you guys are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And other than that, we've been Sawback Gear, and we look forward to seeing you outside.